BarryTiger. Subscribe!
The invisible car. My invisibility potion is finally working. This must be the greatest invention of the century. My broom isn't cooperating with me today. Ooh la la! Today is such a wonderful day. Ooh la la! My body is disappearing. Hi, I am Super Mechanic Barry. Today, ooh la la! Help me! Welcome to ooh la la! Who's talking? Super Mechanic Barry, some invisibility potion spilled on my body. Can you help me? Ooh la la! Oh, you scared me. Dear friends, let's help little car get back to normal. Ooh la la! First, let's use a rag to wipe off the potion. Phew! Finally, we wiped the potion off. Oh la la! Super Mechanic Barry! All my original color is all gone. Oh, I see. Don't you worry. I'll paint you right away. Oh no! I don't see any orange paint here. Huh? What am I supposed to do now? Oh, you have an idea? You say we can mix the yellow and red paint to make orange? Good idea! Let's try it. Whoa! Aha! Ooh la la! I have my color back! Don't rush. We still need to put some wax on you. Ooh la la! It looks great! The repair is done. Dear friends, thanks for all your help. Super Mechanic Barry, you are awesome! Huh? I'm sorry. I accidentally spilled some invisibility potion. I didn't know it would cause so much trouble. Oh la la, it's okay. Super Mechanic Barry already fixed me all up. That's so good to hear. That makes me happy. Achoo! Oh no! Where did Super Mechanic Barry go? I'm over here! This witch is just a little bit careless.